Hello friends, diving deep into our nature art journaling programs, the prompt for today is rainbow. Let's be inspired with the colorful life. Let's enjoy being with those colors. Enjoy colorful beauty and covering the curves of life. You might not be able to see the rainbow today, but yes, you must have experienced sometime in your life. I don't know whether the children have seen the rainbow yet or not. Share your experience with them. उनके संग आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करिए, उनको बताइए कि कैसा महसूस होता है जब आप वो एक रंगीन रेनबो देखते हैं। और क्यों ना आज आप उस रेनबो को अपने हिसाब से, अपने तरीके से अपनी जर्नल में उतारिए। It is not even necessary that you have to use those specific 7 colors. Use your own colors to create your rainbow. Enjoy doing this exercise and अपनी लाइफ की कैनवस पे सबसे अच्छे रंगों को उतारने का बहुत अच्छा मौका है ये। Live your life to fullest and art gives you that opportunity where you can live your life your own way. Take this opportunity in your hand and enjoy your day. I look forward to have many rainbows around me. Share your work on Facebook or the WhatsApp group, whatever feels convenient to you, or you can share to me directly as well. Thank you so much.